All right, so I tried to record this earlier today, something completely different. Yeah, apparently something was going on with the frame rate, and that footage was just completely unusable. Yeah, we're gonna try again now, and hopefully record some stuff. I'll do one more recording, see if anybody watches. Probably no one will watch, but it is what it is. Just found a new toy within Richard Burns Rally that I really enjoy, the Peugeot 306 Maxi kit car. This thing is absolutely fantastic. I have absolutely fallen in love with this thing. So, yeah, gonna get out here, test it out. Hopefully we don't die. Don't want to have to, roll the car and kill it after I just found it and fell in love with it. It's pretty popular within the game, but or the sim. I don't know. I don't want people to get upset with me calling it a game when it is so very realistic and so very true to life. But at the end of the day, it's all a game, right? Anyway, yeah, really like this thing. It sounds amazing, as you'll hear soon. It's a very good sounding vehicle. And yeah, I probably won't talk much because it does take quite a bit to drive it, but when you get it right, it feels really good. You'll probably see here, I got a new flag. Very happy about that. I was at Comic-Con with my partner yesterday, and yeah, we had a really good time. And we're looking to go back again. Probably not going to do it again this year for the third day, but we'll probably do it again next year. And get back out there. Comic-Con's really cool. Can't wait to get back out there and get some more stuff. It should be good and fun. Anyway, got my gloves on. Anybody out there, if you guys have, if you know anyone that makes this color, I love this pink. Isn't this pink awesome? Black and pink and gray. Anyone knows that makes gloves in large for my big monster hands, let me know. I would love to buy them from you. Anyway, let's jump in here and see how it goes. I think everything works. I did a practice run already. We'll see.
Three, two, one.
Let's rock.
Go. 180. One left, round, 110.
So yeah, I'm really slow off the line. Because
two left and don't cut, and two right, don't cut, but to gravel, 80.
I'd rather be a second slow off the line than have to take a false start penalty, which is 10 seconds.
Left,
so yeah.
130.
Oh, this thing is so nice.
Four left, very long, 50. Happy left, 130.
Oh, so good.
Happy right, onto tarmac. Caution.
Way wide! Way wide!
Five left, tightens, tightens. Into happy left, don't cut, and four right, tightens, tightens. And one right, 40. Four left, tightens to 160. Three left, tightens, stay left, deceptive, into four right, 30.
Whoa, wrong way. That was me. I did that. Come on, get you started.
Bridge, 50. Three left, 40. One left, tightens, don't cut. Into two right, don't cut, 150, nice. One left, round, 110. Two left, don't cut, and two right, and don't cut, but to gravel, 70. Four left, tightens, 120. Four left, very long, 50. hairpin left, 120.
Oh, I love this thing.
Hairpin right, onto tarmac. Caution.
Way wide. I keep doing that. I need to figure out how to do that better.
5 left, tightens. Into hairpin left, and don't cut, and 4 right, tightens. And 1 right, 40. 4 left, tightens to 160.
Oh, little tap. Little love tap. That's okay. It's tough. It can take it. Oh, that was much harder than a love tap.
3 left, tightens, keep left, slowing, deceptive, into 4 right, 30,
Oh,
3 left.
God damn it, I keep doing that. I keep doing that. Damn it.
Into 4 right, 30, 3 left, bridge, 60,
I don't care. It's still so much fun.
3 left, 50,
Oh,
1 left, tightens, don't cut, into 2 right, don't cut, 190. 1 left, and finish, nice, that felt good.
oh, that was slow. That was really slow. 25 seconds off the pace because of those errors, egregious errors. I kept, and he says deceptive too, so I'm not paying attention. I'm too busy just going crazy with this toy. It is absolutely wild, and it feels so good with this Moza. It's so fun. That's a very fun toy. I really enjoy it. 8th of 10. Yeah, I'm not fast. Last in class. You can see how popular the 306 is. It's nice to see that the leader is driving the 306 as well. That means there's potential for me. I can get up there one day, maybe. I don't really care. I'm too busy having. I'm too busy just. There are some alien fast people in this sim and in this community. I'll never be able to keep up with them, but I'll have a blast trying.
3, 2, 1, go.
I mostly just slow down so I don't
Bump.
crash.
6 left into over crest, 6 right. 4 left, tightens to 1 and bump 100. 4 left, 30. 3 right, long, opens and tightens, 110. Short, 5 left into over crest, 160. Short, 4 right, and take care, careful bump. 6 left, long, 160. Keep middle, jump, 250, come on.
Never jump.
Stay middle into over crest, stay focused, 200. 5 right, short, 150, nice. 4 left, tightens, and don't cut late, 90. 4 right, tightens, half long, narrows, 90. 3 left, tightens, 70. Short, 3 right, 50. Stay middle into over crest. 5 left, 90. Caution into over crest and 3 right, 120. Short, 4 left, 60.
That's a lot of force on that wheel.
Tightens into over crest, get narrow and 4 right, long.
Everybody's flying through here.
Crest. 4 left, 50. 4 right, tightens, 110. Caution and bump and 5 left, 100. Over crest into 4 right, tightens, narrows, 60. 3 right, tightens, over crest and 4 left. 5 right, short and 3 left, short and 5 left, over crest. 4 left, 50. 4 right, long. Over crest, tightens, stay focused, 200. right. And you've crossed the line. Good work.
Woof. I slowed down a lot on that one, but I'm only 2 seconds off the pace. Damn. That means that is a tight field. Oh, man. Normally when it's super tight with a bunch of dudes, it's fun, but no, that's way off the pace there. Wow. Look at that. 29 seconds away from the leader. Good Lord. That was fun. That was a lot of fun. I really like that. 7th overall. Let's see. I wonder what it'll look like tomorrow. So this is a daily stage. And that's pretty much how the daily stages go. They set up two stages and you go through them. And hopefully you don't crash. If you do, you are out. You DNF as you don't get the points for it. But if you make it, you get the points. It's nice. But yeah. That's a lot of fun. I'm going to do another run of another rally and probably post that up some other day. But I'll post this one up now. And hopefully it's fun. Hopefully maybe this gets traction, pun intended, and people start checking it out. I don't know. Later, guys.